You like it? You like it? You see it? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As y'all might be able to tell, we do have a new camera angle, and that's because I'm shooting on this Sony a7S III that I just dropped some crazy bread on. So if you guys see any difference, let me know in the comment section down below. I believe I'm shooting this one in 4K if I have the settings correct, so this might be one of my first 4K visuals. Shout out to the homie Tony D. Today we're bringing you a brand new review on the Air Jordan Starfish 13s that released yesterday. By the time that you guys see this video, it'll be a couple days after the release date, but let's get into it anyways. Like I mentioned before, we're going to be taking a look at the Starfish Air Jordan 13s. I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at Hibbett Sports for sending this pair over. They did not ask for this video, they did not ask me to do a review, but I figured I will go ahead and give my honest opinion and just do a quick review on these shoes because I haven't done a sneaker review in a while and I wanted to test my camera out. Starting off with the box, we have our typical silver Air Jordan 13 box, the classic box that we all know. For the sizing, I always go true to size when it comes to 13, so I have a size 10 right here. Retail price on this pair was pretty high at 190 clams. Whew, damn. And the colorway reads white, starfish, black. And I believe we got some French underneath. Ooh, we gonna get fancy with it. Blanc, noir. That sounded like Spanish, my bad. Itoye de mer. All my French people, I'm sorry. I tried to hold it down for y'all, but I don't think I came through with that one. Anyways, guys, let's take a look at the sneakers. Blam! Here we go. The Air Jordan Starfish 13s. Very similar color blocking to the Lucky Greens that released not too long ago, as well as the original cherry colorway. Now, personally, when it comes to this pair, I love the orange. I've been really into the oranges lately. It just gives me fall vibes, even though we're not in fall. I just feel like it goes really well, so I really can't be mad at the orange hits on this shoe. I've watched a few reviews and a lot of people are saying that this is a synthetic suede, but regardless if it's synthetic or if it's legit, this suede feels pretty nice. Y'all feel that? Ooh! One of my pet peeves about the Air Jordan 13 model though is using that suede on the midsole. You can imagine, man, all the dirt gets caked up in this area right here, and dirt loves to cling onto this material. So if you're wearing this in mud or if you're wearing this in any sort of dirt, probably want to grab some sort of suede or sneaker cleaner. And speaking of sneaker cleaner, whew, your boy's gonna have his own sneaker cleaner very soon, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you guys want to stay updated with that. The upper of the sneaker is crafted primarily in this white tumbled leather, and I already know a lot of people are gonna ask me, what do I think about this leather? Let's just take a look together. I mean, you see there's a nice tumble on it. Embroidery is pretty clean on this pair. If I were to rate this leather, I would give it a nice 7 out of 10. It's not the best quality leather. Don't let the tumble fool you. It doesn't feel super soft. It's a little bit stiffer to the touch, but of course that's gonna give us a little bit of form on their shoes, and it should break in pretty nice over time. Now, if we want to get into the nitty gritty, my pair did come with some quality issues. This has nothing to do with Hibbett Sports. This is more on Jordan Brand, and I wasn't even going to show this part, but I just wanted to let you guys know that with this pair, I did see a few imperfections, like maybe some glue stains or little markings on the leather. So keep in mind, if you guys are buying this pair in person, definitely inspect it, because I did notice a few issues with mine, and I don't want you guys to be leaving the store with a messed up pair, because that's not cool. The bottom of the sneaker is flooded with this herringbone tractioning, which makes it extremely grippy on feet, so it's perfect for basketball. Not that I play or know anything about it, but it's also perfect just for wearing whenever I step in the bathroom with my Nike Cortezes. You already know it's about to be an ice skating rink in there, but with these you don't have to worry about that. In my humble opinion, the Air Jordan 13 model has to be one of the top Air Jordans based on the comfortability of the shoe. I'm not sure if that's just a personal thing for me, but you guys let me know in the comment section down below. Do y'all think 13s are comfortable? If you guys don't think 13s are comfortable, drop your most comfortable Jordan model in the comment section down below. I just did a quick check on StockX to see what the prices were for these, and they're hitting for around 215 bucks, so it's not much over retail. You're basically paying the tax and a little bit more than that. Just by looking at the price, I could tell that they made a ton of these, so if you guys are interested in this pair, it shouldn't be too hard to get, but I would go ahead and check your local malls to see if these things are still sitting. Don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure they will be. And I'm not even trying to come off like that, but I could see these also hitting the outlets, so if you guys are patient, check your Nike outlets. I have a feeling these things are gonna pop up there. So I'll be posting a picture of these on Instagram and asking asking everybody if they went ahead and copped this pair. So y'all are probably wondering, in my personal opinion, would I have copped these if these weren't sent out? And the honest answer is no. These are a straight pass for me. One of my main issues is because I don't really like shoes that have a primarily white upper. For some reason, I just prefer a darker shade of color on the top and hits of bright colors on the midsole or outsole as well. It doesn't really matter, but I really just like a more dark upper. Take a look at these Mellow 13s that I got from the outlets a while back. I definitely feel like this colorway would have been a lot more tough if it had the black tumbled leather. That would have set the shoe off, and I feel like they would have sold a bunch more. That's just my personal opinion though. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think they should have went with a black upper or just stick to the OG white upper? Whenever I rock shoes that are primarily white, I don't really know what pants to wear with them. I feel like a lot of pants look goofy. That's why these are really hard for me to wear. So I went ahead and paired these up with some Nike sweatpants. If you guys are interested in the pant choices that I would pick for these shoes, I'll have a link down below in the description. I'm not the fashion expert here. Maybe Bullet RC could help us out with that one. Pant info will be down below in the description. I'll try to post some steals up there as well with some like discount codes and stuff like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Also, let me know what you guys think about this camera in the comment section down below. Hopefully you guys click the 4K bell if there was one. And once again, huge shout out to Hibbett Sports for sending these over to your boy. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. We have a few mystery boxes, a few beater boxes, some tutorial videos as well coming up very soon. So make sure you stay tuned with your boy. I'm also on TikTok. You can follow me at Sneakerhead in the Bay with 2 Y's. All right, catch y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Deuces. Shoo.